Chapter 2. More on Windows 7. Recapitulation. Operating system is the system software which manages the computer's hardware and software and helps us to operate the computer system. Central idea. What is an operating system? Introduction to Windows 7 operating system. Revise desktop, icons, wallpaper, recycle bin, file, folder, opening and closing of window. Create, access and manage files and folders on the computer. Introduction to an operating system. An operating system, OS, is the program that, after being initially loaded into the computer by a boot program, manages all the other programs in a computer. Windows operating system, long journey. The Windows operating system, Windows OS, was formerly known as Microsoft Windows and is a family of operating systems for personal computers. Windows dominates the personal computer world, running on more than 90% of all personal computers. Windows 1 1985, Windows 3.1 1992, Windows 95 1995, Windows XP 1995, Windows Vista 2006, Windows 7 2009, Windows 8 2012, Windows 10 2015. Components of desktop. The Windows 7 desktop has three components. 1. Desktop background. 2. Icons. 3. Taskbar. Creating a folder on the desktop. Step 1. Right-click with your mouse anywhere on your desktop as long as the area is blank. Step 2. From the menu that appears, left-click on New. Step 3. In the new menu, left-click on Folder. Windows Explorer. With Windows Explorer, you can navigate through Windows 7, libraries and folders. You can also preview content details and use keywords to search for specific documents. Opening a file or folder. Double-click on any folder to open it. Opening a file from the Documents directory. Step 1. Click on the word Documents on right side of the Start menu. This will give you access to the Documents library file list. Step 2. Select the file you want to open by double-clicking. Renaming the folder or file. Step 1. To change the folder or file name, right-click the folder or file and choose Rename. Type the new name and press Enter. Selecting multiple files or folder. To select specific files from a folder, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Then click the files you want to select. To select a group of files from a folder, click the first file, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click the last file. All of the files will be selected. Copying a desktop folder file to another folder. Step 1. Select the files or folders which you want to move or copy. Step 2. Right-click the mouse button and click the Cut or Copy option. Step 3. Select the location where the file or folder is to be moved or copied and double-click to open it. Step 4. Right-click the mouse button and select the Paste option. The file is moved or copied to a new location. Deleting a file or folder. Step 1. Select the file or folder that is to be deleted. Step 2. Right-click the mouse button and select Delete option. Minimizing and maximizing a window. When you open a window, it displays in full screen. You can also minimize it so that it disappears from the desktop and resides as a button on the Windows taskbar. And you can also close it completely. Closing a window. To close a window, click the Close button on the title bar of the computer folder window.